Hello everyone, we arrived safely in Panglao, Bohol, and now we're on our way to Bathala Resort. We booked a Grab from the airport. It's easy, convenient, and only about a 10-minute ride. Come along with us as we spend the next 5 days exploring the beautiful island of Bohol. Let the adventure begin! As we continue our drive through Panglao, Bohol, we get to see the beautiful surroundings of the island. Along the way, we pass by different hotels, restaurants, local businesses, and shops that make this area feel so vibrant and full of life. The atmosphere here is amazing. The roads, the scenery, and the island vibe already make us excited for what's ahead. We're getting closer to Bathala Resort and we can't wait to experience and explore everything that Panglao has to offer. Our 5-day Bohol adventure is just beginning. We finally arrived at Bathala Resort. While we wait for the rest of our family to arrive, we decided to go ahead and check in first. Since we're staying in one of their villas, we were guided to the villa building to complete our check-in process. The resort already feels relaxing and welcoming, and we're excited to settle in and start our Bohol adventure. Now we're just waiting for everyone to arrive so our family vacation can officially begin. So this is the Bathala Villas here. So they have 8 villas. They have workout area here. So I guess my sister and Rosmin, Dave, and Rainen is coming. I think that's them. This is the road here. Ito lakbunon ng dagat dito sa likod. Tanawon na to kung sa kabakaduol ba o layo. Mag-tricycle lang siguro ta. Dari, mao man naman siguro na sila no. Muna na sila or tanawa? Dire. Oh, napanhiya dire ya. Abot na sila. Sila ate, si Rosmen, Rainen, ag Dave. Oh, dire daw ang villa, 8 kabuok ilang villa. 8 kabuok ilang villa. Oh, nata villa ta. Oh. Bayad mo. Bayad mo, okay na? Okay. Oh, the rest is Rosmen. Now let me show you what Bathala Resort Villa 2 looks like. Come with us as we take a quick tour of our villa and see the place where we'll be staying during our 5-day Bohol adventure. How's the water? Yeah, I like. Oh, they have shower. Yay. And then we can hang out here in the evening. Have a party.
It looks like you can.
Oh, that's a. Yeah, it's really big. It's nice villa.
Yeah. It's hard to believe. This is a really nice place.
Yeah, I like the style, the way they made it. It's really cool. Here, swimming. Awesome. Oh, you got, is that free? Sun-made.
It's not free.
Okay na atay upat ka laki. Very nice. Ayan. Lingkod ta dire.